How to enable or disable mobile network on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo app. Here in DJI Mimo homepage, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen, tap profile. In profile, okay, you can see here the settings. Okay, tap settings. In settings and privacy and settings section, you can see here the mobile network. And the mobile network is disabled. Okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So upload and download using mobile data. So if this enable, you can upload and download using mobile data. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. So upload and download over Wi-Fi. So if this disable, you can upload and download over Wi-Fi. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled mobile network on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.